Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So we need to put about u equals to ln of 1 plus s squared. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, you got about du equals to 2s over 1 plus s squared ds. dv we got about ds over s squared. So if we do the integration for the both sides, we got about v equals to negative 1 over s. So we have u multiplied by v, and you got about negative 1 over s multiplied by this one. Next, du multiplied by v, and you got about positive because we have the negative in here. Negative with negative, you got about positive. And we have number 2 we put in here. Du multiplied by v, we have s simplified by s, so you got about ds over 1 plus s squared. The integral of this one, you got about arctan of s, and we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.